Are you there? Baby, are you there? Babe, on this. Me girl, I've been looking for you in all the ends. It's a real thing, me not pretend. Steady with me round town in the Benz, oh girl. You got me sitting on the bench. You know I've been calling. You don't wanna answer me. Baby, I've been calling. You don't wanna answer me. Yeah, baby, I've been calling. You don't wanna answer me. All day I've been calling. You don't wanna.
For this country to still cold like this for this kind of summer, not be Europe with this. When I get to find the continent where God creates to enjoy.
As you say, you don't start to crack some jokes already now. You're doing him.
Not be joke, now cool.
Now cold. All right, welcome you down to Helsinki, Finland for the very first time. How do you feel, bro?
Well, it feels great to be here, and I think this is my first time, and I'm supposed to be feeling very good, though the cold is trying to distract my feelings, but trust me, I'm really going to do that pro bono. And the airport is fine because that's the only thing I've seen so far, but apparently when we step into town, we'll see other things to say, but trust me, we're sure gonna have a good time today.
Definitely. I've been following you from a very, very young age, and I know what you're up to. I know what you can bring to the table. I know you always deliver day in, day out. That one is a short deal. But your fans out here, they're expectant of great stuff from you. Are there going to be lots of new materials?
Well, I'm talking about new materials. I don't know the one that is new yet. I don't know the one that is old. I don't know the one they've heard. I don't know the one that they've not heard. So I'm just going to do my thing. So it's left for those that are listening to distinguish which one is new or which one is old. But I'm just going to be at my best, as I always try to do.
Definitely. Sure. Thank you very much, bros. Welcome to Helsinki, Finland. Ladies and gentlemen, you have heard
Finland. It's cold land.
Cold land. You know, change name from Helsinki, Finland to Helsinki, cold land. Ladies and gentlemen, touchdown. I go save his life and direct. We'll be seeing you guys shortly. Thank you very much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, mommy and daddy, our viewers all over the world. This is Music Video Hype, your real and organic view. My name is EKY Yerin, the TV presenter, TV host, and right about this evening, we are at the Gloria Event Cultural Center, Helsinki, Finland, and we're having the very first of the kind African Music and Comedy Night, Helsinki, Finland, proudly sponsored and supported by the Delta State Association, Finland chapter. You know how we do it, you know how we say it. Don't touch that dial. We'll be bringing you exclusive content and coverage of this event. Keep it locked down. EKY, say so!
Yes, what's up people? My name is Music Hype and you are watching I Go Save. Don't touch the die. If you touch the die, I will die. I Go Save, say so. I don't go. See ya.
Michael Dog, the water boy, aka Boris. There's no reason God. Yeah. Don't trust me. I'm crazy for you. I guess you know. In my 84 I'm in love with you. I guess you know. I got no reason to leave you. And I'll be always stand by you. I got no reason to leave you. And I'll be always stand by you. And I want to let you know I'm in love with this Finnish angel. She's so beautiful, she put this sweet smell. Now it's not no problem, original dog. Mr. God, put me right or put me wrong. Eyes so blue, skin so white. Universe family, everything is alright. Global attraction, with no competition. Thank you baby girl, take away frustration. Thank you for the Finnish, the African boy. You in my life now, everything is joy. Sorry for the starting, sorry for the parties. Definitely girl, I will love you all. I'm crazy for you. I guess you know. I'm in love with you. I guess you know. I got no reason to leave you. And I'll be always stand by you. want to let you go. Tell her my chérie. Oh my God. Every day, every night I think about you. I will never leave a day without you. Baby, hold me now, show me love and never let it go. I love you every night and make you know. Baby, kiss me now, touch me now, hold me tight, never let it go. I love you every minute and every day. When I was so young, beautiful, I'm crazy for you. I guess you know. In my 84 I need a friend. I'm in love with you. I guess you know. I got no reason to leave you. No, I'm gonna stand by you. And I got no reason to leave you. I'm gonna stand by you. You're like the right tip of my lonely baby. You are my precious ring. I don't need to worry. Forget what the next guys. They're all players. My love is real. I'm gonna stay young. All the time, y'all. So spend on you. Surrender my love because I depend on you. Break the left time. You're the ready man. Make it right now for dinner. Tomorrow night. My cup of tea. Show us the good. Can't mess with you because so beautiful. One like the ring gold all over the sky. I'm gonna love you from now to the time. When I was so young, beautiful, I'm crazy for you. Yes, you know. In my 84 I need a friend. I'm in love with you. I guess you know. I got no reason to leave you. And I'm always stand by you. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, thanks very much. I just want to perform one song, and thank you very much. This is my first time to speak. If you have any program, any events, I'm LCK there, so go check one of the gentlemen. Bye-bye.
Mr. Korobad, baddest host in the building. How you doing, bro?
I'm fine, brother. How you doing?
I'm very well, man. You're looking so fly. What's the secret?
God.
God. You're trying to be so modest with me right now.
Definitely, we always give thanks to God for keeping us alive and giving us the motivation to keep coming, you know. That's the secret.
Interesting stuff. You know, it's all about the African music and comedy night. Very first of the edition. What can you say? How was this put together?
Well, to be honest with you, I'm very, very, very surprised. I was not expecting something as beautiful as this, but it's all beautiful, and the organization, everything, it's just marvelous. Like, if you're not here tonight, man, I don't know where you'll be tonight because it's wonderful, bro. I cannot say anything more than that. It's perfect.
You can't say anything more than that. But please, can you confirm to the audience, those that are still yet to buy their ticket, that the likes of I Go Die, I Go Save, performing acts like Clemzo, and the rest of them will be in the building this night?
Yes, yes, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's your favorite boy, Korobad. Tonight is going down. I Go Die, I Go Save, live in Helsinki.
First of the kind.
If you never buy your tickets, now you know you're on your own. Oh, why you?
Oh, you're in the building. Let's go. Keep it locked down. EKY is still in the building. Thanks, man.
I know some of the ESF there. The husband, they drink water, then they drink champagne. That's the strength of a woman. Bros, not to think that your own part good. I like her. You just did solo. But you not became solo. I like the matter. So I beg you, Igbo man, I respect you. Igbo man. Igbo Kwenu. Yeah. Igbo Kwenu. Now let Igbo man go withdraw money for ATM. You not trust ATM, you go see the counter. You want this show. Now he press up, now other hero he press. But you see the counter. Whether the thing pass or it reduce. I love Yoruba people now, they go withdraw money for ATM. Does he tell us, they tell the ATM machine, thank you. You know, if you they go church, if you be believer here, you dey go church. If you put eye that you go see the way girls of 21 years, 22 years, and 19 years they pray. Their prayer is different from all those 35, 36 years. And their prayer is very psychedelic. See how they pray here. Oh gosh. My name is Anita, my friend call me Jessica, but I prefer to be called Tracy. Gosh, I need a man, I need a real guy. A guy that will be so tall, broad shoulder, and a guy that will be so rich, I mean dope. In a contest, or in a give God option. Then after the prayer, don't go 35, 36, God never see the prayer because you tell God the kind of way you need. Their prayer points against the change. You go see them for prayer for church. Wait till they pray now, this time God declares once more. Oh God, I need a man. But he must be rich, even if he's not as rich as Dangote, but let him be rich. 36, 37, God never hear that. 38, this time now, flower don't they fall for tree. The empty does a week. All those things we carry confidence, they don't they relax. That thing we put for front, we package, we put Jesus Christ cross for the center. Get it over there, is that boss? One guy sit down with me. He puts Jesus Christ cross for the center. Now he asks me, say, what are you looking at? Are you looking at the cross, the crucifixion of Jesus Christ? I said, no. I'm looking at the two thieves that were crucified with him. The two thieves. So after 35, all those crucifix, everything all weak. They don't come down. You got to see the girl prayer. Oh God, by thunder, by fire, who they worry me? Whoever that is in charge of this, whoever that is in support of my being not married, Father, kill the person with Holy Ghost fire. 38, 39, 40. You don't carry Bible put for head. I'm married to Jesus, Satan leave me alone. I'm married to Jesus, Satan leave me alone. We're not married when he's day 21 though. When he's day 19, you're not married to Jesus. Thank you very much. Have your hands together for yourself. I don't make it the day colorful. Everywhere be like rainbow. See everywhere. That's so it be. That's so it be. That's so it be. Before I go make a quick drop this one. You know that only we Africans, now we get class for cars. You get the kind of machine when you drive, let it take the car, let you go where you go. If you drive car, you enter police station, they will direct you go there for a day. But you get motor when you carry it, they direct you to go north of vehicles. Thank you very much. I remember your voice to be. I see you. And the bros be this, the man wey sabi.
Live story.
So now if be this.
Okay, man. It is a funny. No funny fish me.
No, this bros. Forget this bros. Everything they with enough money. Yeah.
Touch me.
I dey tell you. I let this bros. Now be the bros. Inside the bros, not the bros, not the bros. Now be the bros.
Forget story in that vibration.
Bros, I agree to thank you very much.
Give me that first name, please.
I have the very first performing act in the building. His name is Clemzo. I remember I met this guy 2 years ago, man, and his voice serenaded me, man. Clemzo, how far now?
Yeah, bro, I'm good, man. I'm good.
What did happen?
I will not see more show. This one, hey, we go do it tonight now. We don't
You just did very calm, oh.
Bro, I become guy now. I see they go.
I know say they reserve all your energy for the stage.
Bro, I'm going to see what's up.
Well, it's all about the African music and comedy night today. How excited are you to be here?
Well, I think I really love to be part of anything African, and you know, we have to promote it. Africa to the world. That's what's up.
You've heard it from Clemzo himself. What can your fans expect from you, though?
Just expect nothing less than boom. Oh shit.
You said na boom, oh, na run, oh. All right, man. Thanks. Man, I have this very beautiful family on the red carpet with me. It's still the African Music and Comedy Night, first of this kind in Helsinki, Finland. Hello, ma'am. How are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm very fine, thank you. Lucia, how are you doing?
Oh, very well, thank you.
Man,
Nice to be here.
Very good, thank you.
I'm very well, thank you.
you're very well. Everyone seems so excited today, right?
We are very excited.
What's the secret, though?
The secret?
Yeah.
Oh, because my husband's going to be on the stage, so I can't but not to smile.
That's lovely. What's your husband's name?
Mustard seed.
Mustard Seed. Definitely be looking up to your husband's performance today.
We are.
Thank you very, very much for your time. Enjoy the rest of
Victor.
Oh, definitely. Enjoy the rest of the evening, sir. Guys, I managed to grab on the red carpet a very, very talented individual. What's your name, bro?
I'm Vicon.
Vicon. What's the inspiration behind that name, though?
Pardon?
What's the inspiration behind that name?
Yeah, that's victory.
Victory.
Yeah, always.
Always.
Yeah.
So this night you're going to be victorious on that stage, right?
That's it. Always, you know that.
Do you have upcoming projects that you want to talk about?
Yes, of course. I have upcoming like Your Body, Follow Your Dreams, One Love, most especially to the world, to understand what's going on, you know, because, you know, things are changing now and things ain't going well, you know, and industry now, people saying a lot of words that they don't supposed to say, and we need to correct that. And that's why I need to give the youths and let the whole world know that a big thing is coming over, so they can understand that we got stuff to do and we got a lot of things to offer to the world and to our youths also.
How is it important for musicians to use their acts, their craft, to be able to promote and preach against societal ills in the society?
Yeah, I believe by the words and your attitude matters, because what comes out of your mouth, what you're telling the world and the people to listen, so they can pick up, you know, because a lot of people falling behind, you know. So we need to give them word to inspire them so they can learn. Like I learned from a lot of big artists like Fela Kuti, you know, Akon, Two Face, Daddy Shoki. Oh. Yeah, so because I've been a Jegule, I grew up there, that's where I was born, you know. So that's how it is.
I like the fact that you're trying to take a different route. I like the fact that you're trying to carve a niche for yourself. Thank you very much, Vicon. Do have a lovely evening.
Thank you very much. You're welcome. I appreciate you.
I have a very brilliant performer in the building. He's from Ghana. He's based here in Helsinki and shutting down lots of shows. And this is not going to be an exception. He goes by the name Black Q. How you doing, bro?
Yeah, I'm doing good, man. I go by the name Black Boy. I'm back on your screen. I'm back on your screens, man. You already know. Tonight is gonna be late because I'm performing live, so keep it locked.
What can your fans expect? Just briefly, what can they expect?
Yeah, you should expect the best from me. African music, African dance, Afro beats, West Africa to the world, Ghana to be precise. Black Must Def.
But what can you just tell us about the first edition of the African Music and Comedy Nights? The very first edition. What can you tell us?
The first edition, I think it has been very impressive, and I can see a lot of people coming. That means the management team have done a really good job, and I'm really impressed myself. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Black Boy.
So Just was definite. I feel it. Just was definite. That boy. I know you feeling it. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. I'm like the other side. So we shall call you. That time's not this side. Why you go right now when I go? Hey, I'm like the other soul. So we shall call you. That time's not this soul. Why you go right now when I go? Up the side, 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 let's go. Up the side, 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 up the soul. Young guys who pay money, don't have a pitch in your way. We guys hold on, we got a friend, and you wish I find one head. Chris, what do I do? Don't put it. So there, one beer, one beer, we see. How do I try my quit? Try to try that game. Jacoya, with that credit, with that car, with that family, with that car, with that family, you can pass. Go that's how I won't pass out. So go to board with your fees. No one can please go back, but you will be. I can't feel my way. Jai no friend, feel my way. Jai no friend, check your trick. Okay, let's show high. You're going to say, you're going to say, oh, okay, let's show high. You're going to say, you're going to say, one person, one person, one person, one person, one person, one person. Are you feeling that? I'm like one person. So the shot from me. That time's not the side. Why you go high now with the boat? Hey, I'm like one person. So the shot from me. That time's not the soul. Why you go high now with the one person, one person, one person, one person, one person, one person. The reason why she's showing me sometimes she really feel my struggle. So I think she will do really well and make herself she really feel that culture. When it just against honey, round family, who call ya money, who buy ya money, you can't find it. For a couple of days, who up is a fair, so I know my nanny, I know my nanny, I know my nanny, so who up is a fair, I know my nanny. Yeah, man, them who ain't gonna do steps, who do I know something? I know you feeling it. It's my boy. One, seven guy, young queen, let's show high. You're going to see, oh, okay, let's show high. You're going to see, let's go, one person, one person, one person, one person. What are you feeling it? One, so we shall call me. That time's not the side. Why you go high now with the boat? I'm like your person. What's up? Are you having fun? Listen. 9 o'clock will come straight to the airport. Had to fly to Sweden. My next stop was New York, but I made a stop in London. Transit Heathrow Airport. Here no be Kotoka, to be honest. I know the sea top. Summer was the season. London was amazing. Had to call Mackenzie. We do New York invasion. We refuse the Gucci. But I come my Prada. Until you see who we process, I call them your brother. JFK to Cedric. Make sure we listen to make. We go take few things after God. 2 weeks. See you. Good night.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have this very beautiful family on the red carpet. So what's your name?
My name is Murphy Ubogu.
Murphy Ubogu. What's your son's name? What's your name, bro?
Oliver.
Eva.
Oliver Ubogu.
Oliver Ubogu. And what's your name?
Ruth Ubogu.
Ruth Ubogu.
Sabriel Gideon.
Smart kids, lovely kids. And you know, this is the very first edition of the African Music and Comedy. What are your expectations?
Well, my expectation is that it's the first time in Finland, Africa Comedy coming to Finland. At least we are happy to have him here. At least everybody is going to enjoy it, and we're going to make a difference in Finland.
We have I Go Save and I Go Die in the building. Who are you excited the most to see?
For me, both of them are good comedians, you know. So I think I've listened to I Go Die so much, and I will listen to I Go Save. I think I Go Save will be good.
Definitely. Thank you very much, bros. Yeah. Enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you so much. Hope they will be able to hear Pidgin English. Oh, you hear me, Abi? They hear me? Okay. It's just that I like the country. This my friend Most Wanted. When I come, he tell me, say, don't worry, forget about jackets. We are in summer. When I land for airport, as I open the door, the kind cold will catch me. That will not be summer, that is summer salt. And I know say this weather go dey confuse you now. I see one lady just now. If you see what she wear raincoat, rain boots, with on, carry umbrella. She was ready for any weather. In case rain fall, she get umbrella. In case sunshine, she go leave the umbrella. In case the rain heavy, she go wear rain boots. If snow start to fall immediately, she go feel still waka. But trust me, I love this country. I love this country so much. Everything is organized. My friend, my brother Most Wanted, when they carry me waka since, if they drive, if red light on for traffic, if they wait, I shock. For Nigeria, red mean run. Oh, all the black, red means run, green means run, yellow ready to run. And so we don't even stop at all. We keep moving. But trust me, I know most of you will visit Nigeria by December. Yes, because here I see the thing. Now sign when I take the cross. If red show, it will show human being. Green, when they do like this, that means cross. Please, when you come to Nigeria, it doesn't work that way, please. It doesn't. If you see red, don't cross. If you see green, don't cross. If you see yellow, don't cross. Just carry your mattress, just the sleep for them. Call me when they go fight, make you come there, come meet you. Because if you think that you want to obey the traffic law, waiting for Finland, you want to go back for Nigeria, and you might go as able and come back disabled. You'll come back like this. Oh. I know some motor break in the day. Now when I say, what happened to you? Say, oh, in Nigeria. I saw the red light. So I moved the car, also moved. This Most Wanted, very wicked boy. And most of them know that food. Everybody go one place, go shop, and not know the food name. He just says, try it, Mushaki. He said Mushaki. As I get Shaki, I said, no, I'm not Nigeria assorted. When they bring Mushaki, come now, onions, pepper soup with akamo. I leave the food for them, I just spray my car come out. Because I don't really know the places where toilets there. So not the big belly will go wrong. And I love this. This is small children for sure. This is nice. It hardly happens in Nigeria. Our parents never took us to shows like this. Only burial ceremony. This is pure civilization. Only burial. My parents wanted burial kill us. And I believe they paid for the kids, Abi. Should they pay for the children? You see, I see they go pay for children, sit down on the food, they never listen to what they talk, they press phone. See, I'm now. If they're Nigeria, my father don't slap and says, wow, in the West, I'm going to look the guy. They laugh for that, I'm laugh. I don't pay, give grace. And trust me, another very good thing, yeah, it's good, there's freedom here. You can talk as you like, say whatever you want to say, and go home and sleep as a comedian. I can yab this man, now yab him, they will laugh.
At the end of the day, you will still come back to say, I like your jokes. You were just picking on me, you were hitting on me. But could trust me, I enjoy it. For Nigeria, not trying. The best way you dey cause, you will get to wash and well. Make sure say that Christian. Because you get some kind of people where you go hear, they go laugh. When they laugh, when people don't, they go out. When only you don't, they go out. You know, say Nigeria, some parts they get light, some parts no, they too get. Oh, they do that, oh, bros. I don't know the way they threaten me. You know, say for Nigeria, if we hear that kind of voice, not to run. We hear you. Not to run. It makes it not done again. For Nigeria, you go yeah, baby, you go cause all those solid out there. Cause them. People don't laugh. Now when you they go out for midnight, you call the ear whistle. We hear you. We hear you. Scott Owolo. Come. When you go turn, you not go see anybody. You go let the see cigar light. Now you go to shout, and then they see they coming. Waka come where the lights dey. You will come reach there. You go see one grab guy, you call Waka come at his face. Whoa. You go say Scott Owolo. Funny comedian. You dey yap my oga abi. You say my oga get muscle head. That your joke funny. Killer! You can see another guy go stroke come out from the darkness. That one don't wear shirt, he don't smoke it, go. He head don't knock. He go, they come like this. You call it the acid. That guy go come. One of the hands don't cut. He go, they come like this. This time, only you know they decide whether you run or whether you just go to die. You go call it Razor. That guy will come. Scorpion. That one will come. Rust. That one, the call is like 20, don't say. Now this guy now Scott Owolo, funny comedian. You like your joke? Pull your shirt. The guy can't pull his shirt. Oh yeah, lie down. We don't want to beat you. We just want to show you love. Scorpion. Break bottle. I know say those young that one person they always dey wey dey volunteer a head. That one work, he not stubborn. He only used to donate a head, make them take break bottle. Because say, Rust! Or you present your head. That one will come present here. They'll go break the bottle for head. If they break, all those guys, if they bust bottle, they break to knife shape straight. Because say, oh, you are writing name for a back. Go to Owolo. Not Peter, but we don't want to hurt you, eh? We just want to give you sign, make you take the member house. That guy will call this, spell your name with bottle for your back. The comedian will shout, don't die, I don't die. Oh, but shut up. I'll soon finish. 20 minutes, you see the spell. The spell. Now that guy like 25th minute, you can see the guy will come back. You don't spell and finish. You go say yes. Mine say, Scott Owolo. Yes. Over you there, Chris. Now so they spell Scott Owolo. Idiot. Alligator. I will break another bottle. Cancel that made you spell them again. That time you will not say your own not finished. And trust me, the women in Finland are beautiful. Please a round of applause for yourself. If I marry 5 women like woman, if I want travel, I'll just go pay the woman for my bank account. Everybody is here. When I come back to travel, I will withdraw. This kind of lady will call offense you, will call invest. I don't invest. See fish, fine. It's like fresh fish. Beautiful. This guy won't offend you as a man. You know say that she wrong, now you dey apologize. Baby, I know you were wrong, but I'm sorry. Please, forgive me. Now this kind of woman you dey marry, if you as a, you know say when pastor wife fine, if they take time, they introduce her to a congregation. When you say, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Pastor Thompson Jeremiah from Nigeria. When he come, he will say, hallelujah, hallelujah. Today miracle will flow, anointing, release on my mama. I'm not here alone. I came with my lovely wife, my beautiful wife, the solid rock behind me, the woman who gave me the lovely kids, the woman who gives me lovely food, the woman that makes me smile. Ladies and gentlemen, please a round of applause for my lovely wife, Evangelist Emilia Thompson. They'll come clap. But when pastor wife not fine, if the face be like monkey way they climb line, the pastor they hold in the president. Praise the Lord.
go flow here today. Anointing go roll. Everything go flow. God's presence is here. Now, I'm not here alone. I'm here with my wife. But because of time, I cannot introduce her to you.
White people, they love their citizens. Black people, we also love our citizens, but not very much. I was in America 2 weeks ago. Just because one American citizen needed $100, he go climb skyscraper. They shout, Americans, if I don't see $100 in 2 minutes, I'm gonna jump down here and kill myself. Within 2 minutes, ambulance, siren, police, fire brigade, horse, helicopter, CID, drug enforcement, everybody gather. I say, for only one life. We Boko Haram, they keep many, nobody they talk. Therefore they beg the guy, say, young man, please, American love you. You are a good citizen. And they don't know before whether I'm a good or bad citizen. You are a good citizen. We love you. Please don't jump. We feel your pains. This is what hunger can cause. A hungry man is a hungry lion, brother. American love you. The guy said, shut up. Shut up, nigga. If I don't see $100, I'm going to jump down right now and kill myself. I said, don't jump, please. Please. Even the mayor, like the governor of the city, come. They call open briefcase. Sir, this is $100,000 against your $100, man. Don't jump. We need you. America need you. Just come down. This $100,000 is yours. And here there's food, even bathroom for you to take your bath right away. Just come down. The guy go come down. Go see clap. CNN, the video round. They interview him, mama. Say, what do you think about your son? I said, I just love him. He's brave. Took a good decision. Used his rights to get what he wants. Newspaper, the guy just flew back. And I go on my way, they go to Nigeria. And I say, this is the way this guy do so. I go to him. Now I enter plane. As I land Lagos, I look. No skyscraper. I say, man, these people want me my egg cold. Now I climb on top of that place where they write Nnamdi Azikiwe Airport. Now I stand for there. Now I say, hey, young man, Nigeria, if I don't see 5,000 naira, I go shop, kill myself for another joke. Nobody answer me. People just they pass. They pass. Police, they pass. Army, they pass. Governor come, they run, they want me to flight. And they shout, they look me, run pass. Now I say, another joke, oh, let me come, they reduce the money. Okay, make it be 3,000, I beg. If I'm not safe, I go kill myself. When I'm not inside the joke, I go just kill myself. They don't answer me. Then they pass. For 10 minutes, I they shout, say, Una go not to the wait till 2 years. Una not go believe. You get me a shout, that one police come. Where are you? You don't they shout any since 3,000 kill your head. You know, you said they never pay police for 6 months. If you want shop, pay you shop. If you not shop, I will kill you. Also, look at me. If you not shop 2 minutes, fire and you dey crazy. Not shop for your son, they come this side, concrete there. May you for die where idiot. You don't want shop. Also, fire and I say, okay, don't worry. I'll cut that by myself. Not sure can I do. If not, they can't die when I for die that day. Not they play. And trust me, these white people, they are very romantic. Very, very romantic. To trip them very easy. My friend was wanted, got married to a Finland citizen. Lovely people. When I clap her, was not what did I wife name? She's not there. Where? Mrs. Most Wanted. Oh, no, when I clap on her. Lovely woman. When Most Wanted, bring her, come Nigeria, December. I can say, man, Most Wanted, this way you both go finish your money. She go begin the point things when you buy it because of my Nigerian mentality. Most Wanted never buy, you just buy flower. Tie this lady eye, brand. Just say, baby, I have a surprise for you. The woman never answer a question. Most Wanted, your time. Most Wanted say, just move forward. The lady just go say, oh my God. Oh my God.
Most wanted, you're just going to kill me one day with surprises. Oh, I can't breathe, I'm scared. Just tell me what is it? Most wanted said, just move on, move on. As most wanted move and reach one place, just open her eyes. Just give her flower. Light like this just on. This woman just begin crying. Oh, I never thought this day would come. Fire, baby. This is one of the most precious moments in my life. Oh my God. I feel like dying right now. That was what I said, I beg not die, I'll never get my passport. So I said, please baby, don't die. He said, you know what you just did? I've never felt romance like this in my whole life. You're such a darling. Oh, look at the light. It's so green. And look at the other one. So yellow. Oh my God. Please call my mom. Call my mom. They call her mama. She cry. They explain everything to her mama. And mama they cry. And she not wait till they do. Now she was wanted. So this thing they walk. Now I go meet my girlfriend. Iyabo, Yoruba. And I worry girl. Now I say, baby, I have a surprise for you. Now she look me like this. You don't get drunk again, Abi. I said, no, baby. I just realized you are the most precious thing in my life. And I need to surprise you. Now you can laugh. I think how you know to pay money, you the whole you define. To tie your eye, I get to confuse. I say, I beg make I tie your eye. I want to surprise you. I say, surprise me like this. Because the last time when you tie my eye, my wallet miss. Before I call tie your eyes, I call push her. And the pusher say, baby, move. He say, this one when I dey waka, so if anything shook me, you know go funny. I call push her reach. I call bring flower. I call open eye. I call say, baby, with all the love in my heart, this flower is for you. So she call shock. She call look me. She call look back. Look this side. Now me you dey talk to. I say yes. He say wait. Now flower make you tie my eyes. I don't die. Okay, no problem. We are one planter. Wait, I want to use that too. I still need that. I said, baby, that's not all. These lights are for your vain pleasure. I said, you dey Chris. Today when I pronounce this light, you want to show yourself, Abi. Now your father on the light. Now I said, baby, look at the green light. Wait it one, that traffic light. To please our women. Not be all of them, some very hard. So you go women. Small thing. Oh, get with you, I won't talk about these children. Nigeria, if you want to withdraw 5,000, first of all, you suspect everybody as criminal. So if you are your friend every day, if you want to go ATM, you know they go straight, you they deceive them. I want to go peace and they go. Peace. Then your step. Then when you reach the ATM, you go put the card. Our pin can long because we need to say people go quick grammar. See our pin. Enter the amount you are withdrawing. Maybe as they enter in turn, somebody don't dey back, we hear black shit, you can see the guy, you can block the ATM. Bros, I hear you. If you put your glass on night, they see where you look. If anything miss here, no go funny. Because you they suspect you. Everybody in a prank suspect. Now, I want to ask you one question. I don't fit ask for Nigeria and not get answer. So inside my heart, when I just tell me sincerely, men and women who like pass. I need to hear now. Men and women who lie pass. Oyibo. Men and women who tells lies the most. See the same problem. Oh, men they lie. Men now linus, but you see women that they lie. They are like chronologists. Now, first of all, men are basically natural. Not all women though. Some women, everything now fake. The hair, fake. The eyelashes, Fake. This eyebrow we God give them, they're not okay with that. They shave and come out, draw new one. Fake. Now, even though they were, they go apply different things for their face: foundation, concealer, and foundation powder. Fake. Now, Bobby, we don't collapse. No, we get to Bobby. You get this. The presence Bobby. When they look you, as you remove the bra, they shine like this. You won't touch me. You won't touch me, Abi. You won't touch me. Then we get the low self-esteem Bobby. Those ones, as you remove the bra, then they look your shoe. Now they do, behold, I am loyal. Now women go still package that Bobby. They go just shook straw put, they roll am. When they don't roll am, they'll call their Mary. We are take the bra to roll am. They'll call stamp am. They'll call put granite on top. When you say, oh, Bob, say nepo. That's why I enter club. If you see the Bobby, the get package Bobby full rich neck. So she not even see road. If she they work and people she ask, I don't reach junction. Okay, who side make I cross go this side? They'll call say yes. Now that kind of Bobby I see. The top they shake. If the guy do like this, the thing go just shake. We call enter club. After enter club, they dance. They dance. The way the Bobby they shake, anything they get order. Wait up, bring champagne now. What they worry you? Champagne. Bring on. The thing they shake. And you know say club lights then they do their hair like this. You see how the lights they go. And then they see the thing where small place, some place go dark, some place go light. So I don't know the true paternity of the Bobby. So they couple one of the hair and song where they get light. So she go jump. As she jump, one of the Bobby call escape from prison break. So the Bobby, as I dance, I observe say somebody they try punch me. So I call the dance the dodge. I the dodge. So they couple another Makossa song where she like. As she jump, the second Bobby come remove. So she got the jump, the dance. So now I observe something like say two people, they want punch me. So as she the dance, the Bobby come they go back, they knock her for back. Go on, like this. And the girl say, I go say, it's like someone is touching me now. I say no, baby. Now you they touch yourself. Just look back. Now we'll continue, bros. Well done, sir. Yes. No doubt. Now once we gonna say you get money because you know the two laugh. Your laugh they very organized. You understand? Because these days for Nigeria men like this when they talk, the money when they get now go there. Our young boys go they complain for Nigeria. Guests are too spoiled. They are running after sugar daddy. They love money. Shut up your mouth. Some guys go just say, can't you love me for who I am? Can't you love me the way you are? My brother, check yourself. Are you even happy with yourself saying you not get money? Women need care. They need to be pampered. You need to show them love. So if you not get money, shh, just cuckoo go stay one side. They babyless, go they marry soap for bedroom. The women are not there to bear, they are there to enjoy. That is why you see that they follow sugar daddies. All these sugar daddies of 70, 65, 75. They don't get waste again to take perform. That's why guys they run follow them. And they are very caring. They go carry get enter club, then they even dance now they tell them, baby, go and have fun. You see the guy they dance, they happy. The old man when they tell another of the old politician friend. Honorable Thompson, that's my girl. She's having fun, she's waving. Waiter! Champagne! They go reach hotel safe. Old men, then they feel perform. Now they give the girl towel. Baby, you really danced. I'm proud of you. Take, go and shower. Before you go bath, come. In the morning, $10,000. Oga, are they like? Oga, na joke. Oga, shock. I want to talk to my Igbo brothers. Igbo Kwenu. If not be Igbo people, we for don't die for Nigeria. Versace jeans, $1,000. You got press calculator, 300 and something thousand. Igbo people will help us. When Oyibo do D and G, Igbo people go do G and D. Oyibo do generator Yamaha, Igbo people go shine and do their own call Hamaya. It serve the same purpose. When Oyibo do Versace, Igbo people do Sajva, again Nike crest. I like Igbo people. It should pay me now, so not be this time Jesus Christ take come. Because Nigerians like questions, therefore ask Jesus Christ many questions. Especially that time when Jesus Christ did that miracle, when he changed water to wine. First of all, to say now man first year, when he changed water to wine, I was going to say, Kai, Aboki Jesus, this is wonderful. You change water to wine. Kai, well, I have to go, so you don't change me to when you are too much. It don't go. Yoruba there. Yoruba, they can fear. Yoruba, bros, if you decide the lie, if you reach Lagos, if you come Nigeria, if you reach Lagos, for the airport, just run. Just shout, they don't come on, just they run. Both police, DPO, go run. You go shock, say the police go there your front, they run. Now one another run for like 20 minutes. The police go call the bridge. Yoruba man, Kunle, I know say Yoruba they talk, that they must open mouth. My brother, oh, thank you, oh. If not to you inform us, oh, we would have died by now. But who come? And why were you running? The boy go say, okay. Now my brothers will be the expect since night come. So now they shout, they don't come. Now they run, they go meet. Is that why you are running? I thought it was Boko Haram. And I followed you. You better go and stop the others so they are running to data. Yoruba, if the Yoruba versus Jesus, when you talk water to say, brother Jesus, you just change water to wine. Then let me be going, I have a meeting. Before you change me to wine, I'll see you later. It all go. We worry boys, we must ask questions. Urobo, what up? If now Urobo boy fell with Jesus, he go say, it's your Roger, you they show yourself. Level when they look just now, you just change her. To wine. You too much. They're mad. Roger, because worry boys they always doubt. Roger, I feel test that. Jesus will say, why not? Go ahead. But everybody will say, you bam. Brother, now wine. No fish is to go. Make them see hide this money. Make them know. Make the hide this shoot. Igbo man, shout Jesus. Igbo when once again. They are business minded. They calculate. That's why I like them. First of all, it's like Igbo man. If I adjust the trouser, come belly like this. He go come waka. He go come say, oh nah, Jesus. Nah, you just change that to water to wine. Oh nah, you are talented. Oh nah, this is great business talent. Oh nah, Jesus. You see what you just did? If you don't utilize it, it will waste. You will not make money. Oh nah, come, I have a business idea. Oh nah, Jesus. I have a swimming pool in my house. Oh nah, Jesus. Come and change the swimming pool to wine. And me, Emeka, will be the marketer. We will kill it 50-50. He will call the straw, they go. He will call Jesus and say, oh, no, Jesus. In case you are bothering about the company name, don't worry. I have a name in mind. It is going to be Emeka Jesus and Sons, Nigeria Limited. Number 1, Upper Iweka. Now, that is my number. Call me. That is why I like the Igbos. They always believe in the power of negotiating. Yoruba man, Amroba go boss enter Yoruba man house, and women, una they take easy. Una go they see death, una go they ask man question. Amrobas go break down, hey, everybody lie down. Man go lie down, put head for ground. Woman go lie down, put head for ground. After 2 seconds, the woman go raise up her head, go call you, honey, who are they? Me worry about, they be my father-in-law. They come collect your bride price. Yoruba man, where everybody lie down, you see Yoruba man. Now the Yoruba man they call Amroba brother. Brother Amroba. Before you said lie, I'm already done. Where's the money in this house? Brother Amroba. We don't have any money in this house. No. The wife go call his head up. Brother Amroba, my husband is lying. There's 100,000 in the wardrobe. Amroba will come to them, see the 100,000. They'll come bring and say, madam, for telling us the truth, we will not kill you. But your husband, we will kill your husband. Another one will come and say, sir, It's not only 100, though, it's 150. Oh, madam, so you also like, we will kill the two of you. First, madam, come here. You must say, brother, I'm rubber. Please, shut up. Tell us your name. I'm killing you now. My name is Ronke. The Amraba said, oh, you are lucky. You bear the same name with my mother. My mom's name is Ronke. I will spare you because of my mother. Go. Oga, stand up. Tell us your name. Yoruba Mafia. Brother, I'm rubber. Shut up. Tell us your name. My name is Benga, but my friends call me Ronke. If na Igbo mass, as you break it at the door, where everybody lie down, Igbo man is saying, nah, take it easy. We can negotiate this. Shut up! Your money or your life. The guy is saying, nah, that is business. But you don't know. Nah, let's negotiate. Nah, take some money and take some life and leave the rest for me. What angle? Is it okay by you? Worry boys. Kogu worry boy house. Armed robbers Kogu break the door. Hey! Everybody lie down. The worry boy no answer and the press laptop. The armed robber say, where you are saying lie down? And the worry boy look up. And the worry boy say, you be fool. You know say as you dey shout so police will come. The armed robber say na true to. And the guy say, everybody lie down. And the worry boy say, now you get sense. What do you want? Now the guy say, your money or your life? And the guy look the Amraba. Now life babies. When you look the house, you see property. What do you want? The guy say, your money. Go look back of that door. Money dead there. Now the Amraba struggle. When he opened the door, double barrel, bazooka, bomb, grenade. Now let the Amraba they shout, Tifo, Tifo, Tifo. Now the guy say, which group do they work with? The guy say, bros, I'll be upcoming armed robbers. These modern girls, hire killers. You never pay their bride price. You never marry them. Not that they play music where they make their crystal. DJ, just play any kind of hip-hop song. First of all, if she know the club first, okay, DJ, wait. If I don't set, first of all, they go no say the DJ that chuku chuku chuku. They don't say another song go come. DJ, your plan, don't come the waka like this first. Like a bunch of don't go find any wall with they vacant. Don't go attach the wall. Like what bunch of they had. Don't go like this. Excuse me, beg your pardon. Do you have any idea what you starting? You got me tingling, come to me tingling. For now we never pay your price. For now we never pay your price. The thing not even bad until this Rihanna new song, Kogo Rain come. Now guess they won't see all themselves more. Just they play any song again. If I say play quick, you just enter that Rihanna song. Quick. That song. If they turn Nigeria gets to real banshee, they go there like this for club. See that? Sound engineer, not the DJ fault this time. I told her, I said, this joker get possession. This Rihanna song now banshee. Which kind of banshee music? See how that ones they play. It's not getting sound.
I ain't getting the sound.
Bros.
Now I'm getting the sound. Cool. Big up yourself. Engineer. Thanks.
Sorry for not making it here when I go down. Thank you so much. I love you. Peace. Wow, I just see you too
Gentlemen, I Go Save just killed this show, man. There have been lots of positive feedback to us far. I want you to just quickly hear what he has to say about the show and about the reception from the audience. Bros, how far?
Nice. Well, it was good. First time in Finland, and trust me, it was good. The crowd was responsive, and that's what a comedy show should be. You know, you're cracking your joke, and the people are relating, and they are flowing. They are following the flow. I enjoyed myself on stage. Trust me.
Would you like to come back to Finland?
1,000 times. 1,000 times again. Finland is lovely. Trust me. Calm crowd, lovely audience. I love them.
And you're able to connect with the white folks, I mean the Finns themselves. How did you come up with that?
Sometimes, you know, you have to switch if you have a mixed crowd, and it's what we do. So if you study the crowd that a set of people are enjoying the jokes a lot, sometimes you just switch for the others to enjoy, because they're also paid to see you, they are your fans. So you just try to give them your best as much as you can, and thank God they enjoyed it and they were able to understand to some level. You know, I was trying to compare their operations here to Nigeria operations, which everybody understands pretty well. So it was good.
Swear on you. Not doing so, we hear you from Finland. Yes,
you understand. They said they won't think how to think.
Are you there? Baby, are you there? Right on this. Me girl, I've been looking for you in the ends. It's a real thing, me not pretend. Steady whipping around town in the Benz, oh girl. You got me sitting on the bench. You know I've been calling. You don't wanna answer me. Baby, I've been calling. You don't wanna answer me. Yeah, baby, I've been calling. You don't wanna answer me.